So let's say you're chasing a problem with intermittent electrical to coils or fuel injectors, and it may be fixable without soldering kind of thing. So basically, three to the coils, one to each injector, so there's 6. Then there's 3 more coils in the other bank and 3 there. But they all terminate in this plug that lives on the side of the engine. It's a big old honking thing. This is the other end of it. And this joins it to the main bundle that'll work its way back to the computer. The way this works is quite tricky to get apart. So there's a red tab that locks it in, and then this is a little wheel that spins and drives it together. This plastic piece slides back, and you have to kind of worry at it. But this piece, you could get this off any engine. This side of it's all generic. So if you were chasing a difficult problem where you had an intermittent coil, or rather than do a layover where you lay the wire over all the way back, I mean, you might, I don't know. It's just something to know. And now you know. I'm glad you know. Bye.